This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Schaumburg at the new Element at Veridian Luxury Apartments. Element has an outstanding suite of amenities, headlined by a two-story community great room. The great room opens to a rambling resort-style terrace with grilling areas adjacent to an outdoor pool. Element also has a fully equipped fitness studio, a spacious yoga studio with lockers, a business center with conference rooms and private offices, a dog park with separate areas for large and small dogs, a package room with cold storage lockers, and more. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I've just stepped into apartment 133, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. In the foyer, off to my left, is a walk-in closet. To my right is this great L-shaped kitchen, wide breakfast bar island, quartz counters. There's a wide, deep, undermount stainless steel sink with a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, French door refrigerator, pantry cabinet, 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. There's a 5-burner gas range, a built-in microwave, both dome and pendant lighting in the kitchen, dishwasher in the island, and looking at just a ton of space in the living dining area. Heading toward a sliding patio door, takes you out to a wide patio, looking out over the greenery, the terraces, the pool deck. Great space. Heading toward the main bedroom, the master bedroom. Space to accommodate any size bedding here and additional furniture. Wide windows with that French window look. Great mullions, add a lot of character. There's a closet with shelving. And then you walk into a spacious master bath. It's a double bowl vanity. Same plank flooring that you saw in the living area. Wide walk-in shower. Walk-in closet. It's carpeted. A lot of space in the bath here. Twin mirrors above the double bowl vanity, undermount sinks. Frameless glass door in the shower. Great separation from the second and third bedrooms. Headed in that direction. Bedroom 2, carpeted. Same plantation shutters you see in the bedrooms. Window sills if you have plants that you like to display. Bedroom 3 has a walk-in closet. Heading back toward the guest bath, you have a laundry room. Side-by-side front-loading washer-dryer. Individual hot water heater. Here's the master bath. You have a double bowl vanity. Twin mirrors up above. Wide walk-in shower. White quartz counters, undermount sinks in the vanities. Designer lighting up above the vanity mirrors. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath that lives like a single-family home. You can stay a while here. Element at Veridian has a very convenient location, truly outstanding amenities, wide variety of apartment layouts. Definitely want to have it on your must-visit list. You can see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info at the Element at Veridian website.